Gonna do a quick toasty. A little bit of cheese, couple pieces of ham. This bread right here. And real butter. Gotta have real butter. Don't ever try a toasty without real butter. Well, it'll be okay. Soak it all up. And get cheese laid down on there. Get it melting. Got curved. Cover all that bread up. Top these up there, be letting them warm up a little bit. Onions, these are going to go on there. I'm hoping to get a good cheese pool. I'm not really sure. I don't have that much cheese on there. These onions right here are always going to need to be every time you cook with these onions right here, I got to really drain them because they are really wet. See how that's kind of looking underneath there. Ooh, hot. Yeah. Almost there. This one's about the same. And let it rest for the cheese to go back together. So we'll see what happens here. See if it'll blend back together and we'll get a pull. Nope. Boy, does that look good. Perfect. Perfect toasty for the late night snack. Now, back in Poppy's kitchen, late at night, for the late night snack. Oh yeah. That one. Another hit. How can you go wrong with 3 cheeses, some honey ham, some sweet onions, a little bit of mayo, slight bit of seasoning, delicious bread, buttered, toasted, just a crunch but still soft on the other side. Wow. Another hit. Summertime Kev checking in, checking out.